In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Salesforce. If you're getting your team set up in Salesforce, adding users is one of the very first tasks, and it's straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through each action so you can follow along with confidence. Start by looking to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Click the gear icon, which is your settings menu, and select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you to the main setup area where all user management lives. If that page opens in a new tab or looks different from your main app, that's normal. It's the admin side of Salesforce. On the left-hand side, you'll see a quick find search bar. Type the word users into that search field, then select users from the results. This section is where you view existing users and add new ones. It's a good place to be careful and deliberate, since changes here affect access to your organization's data. Now, in the Users area, click New at the top right to add a new user. This opens the form for creating the account. Keep your attention on accuracy here, because the details you enter determine how the person signs in and what they can do. Enter their email address, making sure it's correct and active. A mistyped email means the invitation won't reach them, so a quick double check can save time. Next, select a permissions profile for them. A profile defines what the user can see and do in Salesforce. Think of it as their access level. Choose the option that aligns with the responsibilities they'll have. If you're unsure, it's best to match the profile to their role and keep access appropriate to their needs. When everything looks good, click Send Invitation. That's the action that triggers the email and starts the onboarding process for the new user. An invitation will be sent to the email you entered. The recipient will use that message to create a Salesforce account that links to your organization, and then they'll be able to access your Salesforce account. Remind them to check their inbox shortly after you send it. Sometimes automated emails can land in spam or promotions folders. The invite includes a secure link they'll use to set up their login and confirm their access. And that's it. You've navigated to Advanced Setup, found the Users page, created the user, selected the right profile, and sent the invitation. Once they complete the steps from their email, they'll be ready to jump in and start working alongside your team in Salesforce.